The devil is a jobless angel who sits idle. That is the reason why we got this proverb saying, an idle man's mind is the devil's workshop. Now, when can the devil play with you? When you're idle. If you look at Adam when he was placed in the Garden of Eden, after Eve was made, Adam and Eve, they were never idle. One day Eve was there, and when Eve was idle, who came? The devil came. Now, I'm not telling you to be busy all the time. If you look at the life of Adam was productive all the time. He was not sitting idle. Most of us, that's what we are doing. We are thinking, I just need to go to my job, just log in, just enjoy the seat. If you enjoy the seat, if you enjoy the table, you're not being productive. Whenever you are idle, you start thinking of the negative things. You start thinking of what can affect you. You start thinking of all your insecurities. Now, who becomes your father when you are idle? The devil. It is as simple as that.